Now, let's welcome to the stage our very own Student Council President, Mohab Gamal.
عايزكم ترحبوا معايا بمهاب جمال رئيس اتحاد الطلبة عشان يقول كلمة.
Good afternoon. It is a great pleasure to be here today, talking to you in such a special occasion. Let me give a special thanks to the parents, relatives, friends, and teachers for attending our graduation ceremony today. As I began thinking about what should I say to you today, I discovered that I could spend 4 hours talking about the experience we have had, which prepared us for this day and for the future. I'm really glad that I was the president of the student council of this year. I want to thank Nada, the vice president, Farah, the secretary, and Ala and Ahmed as treasurers. They have done a great job. Dear fellows, today we all accomplished one of the major milestones in our lives. It could be recognized for its immense significance, which is the high school diploma. It is an act not only of personal commitment, but also one of pride. As students and friends, we have made many memories together, many good and some bad, most of which we can now look back upon and laugh. We went through so much during the past years. I consider myself lucky. I really consider myself lucky to have met you all and to be part of the strong bond we have came. And we can't forget about the parents who have always supported us financially and emotionally. I thank you all for helping us to achieve our goals. Today is the result of your hard work and the values that you have instilled in us. That today we have successfully completed our graduation, and the credit for it goes to you. From all of the terms used to describe graduates, the one I think should receive top billing is winner. Each and every one of us is a winner today. And a special thank for my father, Salahaldin Husni Abdelal. He is the one who raised me and he supported me through all of my life. I need very to thank him. مقدرش انسى امي والدتي قاعده معانا النهارده، احب اشكرها جدا واحب اقدم لها كل حاجه انا اقدر اقدمها لها عشان هي فعلا تعبت معايا جامد.
Before you go, we would like you to stay for a special tradition to us. It's a tradition that in every senior graduation, the student council president hands over the mantle of seniors to one of the juniors. Now we would like to welcome Amina Tariq on stage.
وزي ما بنعمل كل سنة، دلوقتي وقت ان رئيس اتحاد الطلبة يسلم العلم لواحد من الدفعة الجاية. فرحبوا معانا بأمينة تاريق.